Swaagat, as the name suggests, it was majorly aimed towards providing a very grand welcome. Particular piece which is placed at the immigration hall wall revolves around festivities, regal nature of Lucknow, be it its Nawabiyat, the festivals, the vintage cars. The intent was very well translated through these embossed brass sheets.
When it is executed at scale, there is still consistency with that very special artistic variation that is important to ensure that the handcrafted character is not lost.
Swaagat Wall was actually amongst the more challenging ones because the site had a lot of surprises. So when we had the concept, it was a flat wall. And we go to the site and there are these beams jutting out by 600 mm and it was right next to an escalator. So getting the scaffolding to go between that and then still make the back, which was still serviceable. So it was just the calisthenics we had to do to kind of just put it all together was quite fun. Also, while it looks modular, it had to be done very precisely because it had to go and fit in exactly the right place with almost no tolerance because, when it's a sheet, you cannot sand it or cut it or, do whatever to fit it. But in the end, it was like a really rich tapestry. No two similar pieces are adjoining to each other.
A lot of it got hidden below the escalator, but that's also a lovely surprise. Maybe we should figure out a way that more people get to see it from that angle.
Yeah, it's kind of like what AKFD does. It doesn't matter if it's seen or not seen. It should still be beautiful. It should still be nicely done.